Last time we unboxed the flagship OnePlus 11 5G and tested its glass resistance and its unfortunate build quality. The OnePlus 11 was definite bad news in durability. If you missed it somehow, press the I button on the top right or the link in the description. Here in the liquid resistance test, we are going to talk about and explain what exactly is IP64 and why it isn't of flagship level like that of IP68, 67 or 69. Meanwhile, we are conducting the oleophobic bath test as usual. The highest and best rating we get on smartphones right now is IP68, where 6 means complete resistance against dust and the 8 means the capability of submersion underwater within certain limits. The 4 in 64 only means resistance against splashes, hence making the OnePlus 11 not of flagship level in terms of water resistance. Anyways, the OnePlus 11 5G is right up there in terms of oleophobic coating as expected of any mid-range to flagship level devices. And most importantly, the sound has not been affected too much by distortion and low loudness levels, which can be initial signs of liquid damage if affected too much. That's the main reason why we are already at the light splashing round, where some devices have actually met with serious damage even when splashed lightly. But of course, we do not expect any such tragedy to happen to the OnePlus 11 5G, since fortunately it does have at least an official IP64 rated certification. Some proof of that can be noticed in the form of a red rubber sealant, always present even on IP53 and 54 rated devices, like those of Mi, Redmi and Poco. Coming back to the important point of liquid effect on the sound, there are some momentary concerns of distortion and low levels, but it goes back to normal within a few seconds. Since the OnePlus 11 is just IP64 rated, we do have to look out for signs of liquid effect or damage in the form of headphone icon issue, screen flicker, camera fogging or black screen issues, or even permanent damage of the display by heavy drenching. We sure hope that the flagship OnePlus 11, which doesn't actually have the flagship level water resistance, survives all stages of liquid abuse and does not come out a big failure like the Realme GT Neo 3T. All of a sudden, the temporary low audio distortion seems to have dissipated into thin water, a positive sign, and also at this stage, no signs of camera fogging or headphone icon issues. The OnePlus 11 5G thankfully manages to pass a water test without a flagship IP rating,